we could take our time, baby, in slow motion. We could take our time, baby, in slow motion.
What's up, you guys? What's good? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Shred, which is my 12-week fat loss, like fitness, meal prep, healthy living type of journey. If you're passing by my channel, what's up? I'm Jordan. Thank you so much for being here. It's always extremely appreciated. I think you guys are going to love today's video because the #1 video request I've got for months and months has been to bring back more meal prep videos. And you guys know I'm a very creature of habit. I tend to make the same thing all the time just because I don't get sick of it. And that's what's helped me personally on my fitness journey, but I know you guys want more variety of meals. So today I did 3 meals that I have never done on my channel, which is hard to do because I've done so many meal prep videos in the past. And everything was under 30 bucks. I was able to buy all the ingredients for breakfast, snack, lunch, and dinner, all for under $30, which is awesome. I know when I was living in the dorms at college, didn't have much money, but didn't want to just buy a bunch of fast food and shit and just feel disgusting. It'd be really nice if I had a grocery list back then or someone to look up to who would organize everything for me on a budget. So I'm gonna ask you guys to please go ahead and check the description box in this video. I'm gonna list how much each item was and where I purchased everything, so you can literally expand the description box on your cell phone and take a screenshot and then head into the store, get your own ingredients, and make these meals at home. I really hope that they're able to help you guys on your own fitness journey. So the little clip that you guys just saw at the beginning of the video was me weighing in and waking up early yesterday morning. My second week of my cut is officially over. I'm actually on the second day of the 3rd week, and I'm so excited and crazy to say that I have lost 6 pounds in the first 2 weeks and 2 days. The first week I think I lost 2.8 and then 3.2 in the second week. I am feeling amazing. I have the most mental clarity that I've had, and my body looks the best that it's looked in a year and a half. If you followed my channel a while, I've gone up and down in my weight, and I've dealt with binge eating, and I've been really open with you guys about everything I've been through. And right now I am so one-track mind, just ready to freaking kill this cut and look amazing and feel amazing at the end of it. And I feel incredible. Please be sure you're also on my Instagram, because I've been posting on my Instagram story my meals and stuff like that, but I promised I'd update you guys every week as the cut goes along what progress I have. I've been recording all my workouts. I just actually recorded a full body workout with my mom this morning. She was super cool. She let me train her. She didn't complain or anything. She did everything I told her to. That video is gonna be really cool, probably be up in 2 days. But in the first morning clip, I wanted to go over a few things that I use with you guys. So when I started the Shred series, I let you guys know my body fat and everything like that. And I was using the Body Analyzer scale. If you've been on my channel a while, you already know I've probably, I wanna say I've used this scale for over 2 years. This is actually the second one because at my old apartment, Christian somehow put it in the bath after he had a bath one night and it stopped working, so I had to order a new one. But the scale is amazing. If you are on a weight loss journey, please get this scale. It tells you your accurate body fat percentage, lean muscle mass, your water retention. It's so much better than just a generic scale, which just gives you a number, because sometimes your actual weight will not go down because you're increasing your muscle, but your body actually looks better and your body fat percentage may be dropping, which is what I totally want to see over the next 12 weeks because I am killing it in the gym. I'm building up a solid layer of muscle. So some days if I don't go down in weight necessarily, but my body fat percentage keeps going down, I'm just gonna look better and better. So if anyone is on a fitness journey, I highly recommend this. I've mentioned it in my videos before. They gave me a coupon code for you guys a year ago. I double checked, it's still active. I'll leave it down below. I'm super honest with you guys always about everything. I'm not paid per sale on this, but they did team up with me to give you guys a promo code, if that makes sense. So you guys are the ones who are letting me work with companies and using my links for stuff, so I'm able to continue this channel. So thank you so very much. If you do use that, it will save you a ton of money. I believe this is a $100 scale and you get it for 40 or 50 bucks, which is honestly nothing. That's such a small investment for you to keep the best track possible of your exact fitness progress. And I just really like that it has the water retention, lean muscle mass, body fat percentage, everything like that. Also in this morning's earlier clip, you guys saw I've been having a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a tablespoon of lemon juice with a full glass of water. like a huge glass of water like this, like every morning. It just really helps with detoxification, mental clarity. Please, please, please just Google the benefits on a health journey or a fitness journey of just in your mind and body overall of organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. It is incredible for you. You do have to kind of get over the taste at the beginning, but the benefits far outweigh, like it's just a little like sour, if you will. I'm just so used to it now that I don't mind. So I have that every morning. And then I did jump back on using my Royal Queen Fat Burner Stack. This comes with 3 components. It's from First Form. I've talked about it for like 2+ years. This has been, I truly think this is like, I'm not gonna say too much of the reason why I lost 6 pounds this first 2 weeks, because you girls been working hard and like that's all me. I've been killing it in the gym and sticking to my macros that Leah gave me. But this helps so much with my afternoon and like my nighttime cravings. Like they're gone. Like what are cravings? Like a bitch doesn't even know what cravings are right now. Like this cut has been so easy for me to stick to. I think just because I'm so excited about my goal and I know I'm finishing it out and I'm not quitting. But I swear, like I took this 2 summers ago, if you followed me back then, when I really leaned down. That was like the leanest I've ever been. And even then, I don't remember it actually stopping like my cravings like it's doing right now. These past 2 weeks, I haven't wanted chocolate, froyo, ice cream, anything. Like I go to bed feeling like pretty tight and lean. Well, again, because I am sticking to my exact macros. And I just know I want to finish out this cut and like look so much better and feel so much better. But I don't know, like I swear by this. Again, you don't have to use any supplements. You can get results without them. But if you're already in the market for something and you're thinking of, you know, trying something and you want to know how it's worked for a girl who's been overweight, guys, like just my opinion, if you want to support me, it's so appreciated. You will get free shipping. I'll just leave this down below if you want to check out their website about the exact ingredients and exactly what it's supposed to do. So it says here, control appetite and curb cravings, incredible focused energy boost, and minimize hormone fluctuation. So you can buy it solo, but I just purchased it in the 3-pack, which I find just really helps. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. 2 weeks of my cut down, feeling incredible. Thank you for all the encouragement and the support on all my shred videos. I know you guys are loving watching through another like fitness series. I personally love watching like other people's prep series and stuff. It's just so exciting. So thank you for motivating me. I'm very happy that my progress can help in turn motivate some of you guys. Check out the scale and all the products and everything. I'm gonna link down below. Let's just get into the meal prep. Make sure you subscribe, and I'm actually gonna finish over here editing another vlog right now as well. So yeah, be sure you are subscribed because there's another vlog coming tomorrow, because I went out with my ex like 2 nights ago with our kids and we went on like a little date. What? Stay tuned. Let's go. All right, you guys, let's get started on the meal prep. So the first recipe I'm going to show you is apple pie overnight oats. You guys know I personally do intermittent fasting, so I like to make this breakfast food, but I eat it later in the day. I usually start eating my meals around like 1 or 1:30, but if you have to wake up super early for work or something, or you just love having your oatmeal or any type of breakfast early in the morning, this will be great for you to just grab and go if you're in a rush. I'm just showing you here the basic ingredients that we need. I did some cinnamon, Walden Farms pancake syrup, some apples. You can do strawberries, watermelon, fruit of your choice, even frozen grapes would be good. You could do shredded almonds. You're also going to need oats, of course. I'm just using the Quaker oats that I got from Albertsons, this huge tub there. But yeah, you could use like flavored oats, steel cut oats, pretty much anything that you want. You also don't have to use the Walden Farms syrup. You could use like Maple Jane or whatever that other brand is, or like pretty much anything. This is super customizable because I am trying to be as vegan as possible. Not 100% perfect, but I'm definitely still really giving it a really good effort. I'm just having non-dairy milk, so I'm using the Almond Breeze 30 calorie per cup, the blue one on the right side. But the other one I found at the store, I wanted to give you guys 2 different options. But use whatever you want. You could also use water. If you have like lower calories, or you're on like a prep or something and you don't have extra calories, you could always just do your oatmeal with water. Sometimes I just do that as well. But anyhow, chopping up a bunch of the apples here, super easy. Again, very customizable. You can do any fruit that you want. I ended up adding a few strawberries in as well. I'm basically just going to be making 3 of them just because I'm the only adult I live with and I don't want anything to ever go bad. So you guys can totally double up this recipe for as many people are in your family. What you want to do is for every half a cup of oats, you're going to do double the ratio of the non-dairy milk. So I'm doing half a cup of Quaker oats in each of these little mason jars, and then I'm going to do 1 full cup of the Almond Breeze milk in each one as well to fully coat the oats. And then we're going to keep this in the fridge overnight, and all the oats and all of the nutrients and the flavor is going to seep into the milk and they're going to expand. So when you wake up, pretty much the whole cup is like filled with oats that are like really fluffy. and it's really good. It does take about 8 to 12 hours for them all to soak in. So I like to make this at night. And then like after I made this meal prep video, I had one of them the very next morning. Just again, because I don't want anything to go bad. So half a cup of oats in each mason jar and then 1 full cup of non-dairy milk to cover them. Again, you can use water if you'd like. I'm choosing to season mine with cinnamon here. This is just plain ground cinnamon. Just kind of mixing everything up. And then I believe I showed a clip of honey here in a second and some semi-sweet chocolate chips. If you have extra macros or a little bit higher calories, you could put some honey in there. I personally chose to skip the honey, but I wanted to give you guys a bunch of options on flavor to just make these as tasty as possible. The cinnamon and also the apples here though make it really taste like apple pie. Like I just think it's really good together. I had a few extra strawberries in the fridge, so I just popped those on top. And then I believe I put some of the pancake syrup in. This is 0-calorie syrup from Walden Farms. You can find it at Albertsons. I personally think the taste is great, even for no calories. It's not like chemically or anything. It's actually really good. Put some extra cinnamon on top, and that was pretty much it. So again, this is good for the next 3 days for me. Because I do start eating around like 1 or 2 p.m. I still like to have breakfast foods in my routine, so I'll just like take one of these on the go. I'm actually going to LA tomorrow morning, so I'll just take one out the fridge and good to go. Like super, super easy. Moving on to the second lunch meal for the week, I was just filling up my rice cooker with brown rice. Again, it's a 2-to-1 ratio. This is the huge bag of rice that I got from Costco. It's the short grain brown rice. You can use white rice, jasmine, literally any kind you want. It's very customizable. Again, I'm doing 1.5 cups of dry rice and 3 cups of water. So it's the same like 50% ratio. With this aroma rice cooker, you just turn it on and hit brown rice and you're done. It's really easy. What we're doing here is we're going to basically make a Mexican rice bowl for the week. And let me just say, these turned out absolutely amazing. I can't believe I haven't made this before because it's so, so easy. A lot of you are saying you want to see more spices and more flavor in my videos because some of my previous meal preps were a little bit bland. So this one tasted so good. It was amazing. Basically, I just drained some black beans and some corn, tomato, and avocado, as much as you want. Be sure to spill it on the side like me because I'm 5. We're just mixing everything up together basically, and we're just doing like a Mexican bowl. So I'm adding some garlic powder, some pink Himalayan sea salt. I'm going to add some salsa, some taco seasoning. We're basically doing like a burrito without the tortilla. So we're doing like burrito bowl prep, Mexican burrito bowl prep for the week. So I added some of this taco seasoning in. Oh my God, just looking at this, it just looks so bomb. Adding a little bit of this mild, what's it called? Mild salsa, cilantro, of course, because hi, tastes amazing. I'm not really good on spices though, so I just do a little bit. And then you want to mix everything together and you want to be looking basically like the inside of a bomb-ass Mexican burrito. All right, so just mixing that up, and you can add more spices or less, as much flavor as you really want. We're just waiting for all the rice to be done. And then we're just going to portion it out into 6 equal portions. I'm just getting a snack ready for the week. Again, nothing fancy here, very easy. I personally just love celery and I love carrot sticks. I'm going to mix it with some of the Bolthouse Farms creamy Caesar dressing, which has a yogurt base, so it has really, really good macros. It's 45 calories for every 2 tablespoons. So I was just making 3 little like snack bags here on the go. Again, you can use any type of vegetables that you have, like broccoli or just anything else that you like throughout the week. I personally always also like dill pickles, which are no calories and they're like 95% water, so it's a really good diuretic to help you just pee out all the excess water throughout the day. So once the brown rice was done, it takes 45 minutes in the aroma rice cooker. I'm just adding all of it into the bowl. Totally should have got a bigger bowl here because I was struggling a little to not make everything fall out, but you're just going to mix everything together. We're basically just making burrito bowls. And a lot of you ask, how do you know what the macros are per bowl when you just basically dump all the calories into there? So I used a full can of corn, full can of black beans, the tomato, the avocado. You basically add up the calories for everything, and then you have a total. I believe the total is like 1,800 or something, and then you divide it by 6 because we're going to portion it out into 6 different meals. So each meal prep of this Mexican like burrito bowl was 300 calories each. The exact protein, carb, and fat I can leave in the description, but I know offhand that each actual like meal prep container here evens out to 300 calories, which is cool. So you just add up all the macros for each ingredients and then just divide it by however many preps you're making. So this is going to be my lunch for the next 6 days. I went through and added a little bit more here at the end because I had some extra left in the bowl, and you can just have this with, of course, your drink of choice. I'm just doing water lately because I'm going to cut some veggies on the side or some pickles or whatever you choose, whatever you have the macronutrients in your plan for. But yeah, I found that this was a really good ratio of protein, carb, and fat. We do get a lot of protein from the beans and then the carbs from the rice, got the tomato, healthy fats in there with the avocado. This honestly tasted so good. I've done so many meal prep videos and I can't believe I've never made this. Like it was, I don't know, I personally thought it was amazing. So we have the oats for the morning. That's my lunch. The veggies right there are going to be my snack. And then for my dinner meal prep, I was cutting up some sweet potato here or some yams, whatever you want to call them. I just got the pre-cut ones from Albertsons, but I wanted to chop them up a bit smaller so they all cooked at the same, like so they were all done at the same time and nothing got burned. So I was just cutting them up a bit smaller. And then I believe I just used ground cinnamon on these as well. Yeah, to season. If you guys have any other recommendations on flavor for yams, let me know. I just usually do cinnamon. They taste pretty good. You want to put the oven on 425 degrees for these for a solid 40 minutes. Those actually take a really long time to cook. And then for the protein, we're going to be doing extra firm tofu. Again, found at Albertsons for like $3. Kikkoman low sodium soy sauce. I know a lot of you have told me to try the liquid aminos from Bragg's instead of the soy sauce. I've been on the hunt for those and I can't really find it. So the tofu takes only 10 minutes in the pan, and then I'm portioning out into 3 different separate portions. This is going to be my protein source for my dinner. And then on the side, I was just doing some cauliflower, I believe. Maybe. Where's the clip? Maybe. It's coming. Okay. Cauliflower florets from Green Giant. You could do asparagus. You could do green beans. Anything that you want. I'm just seasoning with nutritional yeast from Amazon, which is vegan, but it gives you like that cheesy flavor. It is so, so good. Pink Himalayan salt. And I believe that was all I seasoned those with. Those only took like 3 minutes to cook. And of course, even at that, they still got a bit burned. So keep your eye out for those. So I was just adding my vegetable intake into the preps and waiting for the sweet potatoes to finish. So once the sweet potatoes were done, I was basically just adding in those 3 portions. And I only made 3 meals for dinner, again, just because I don't want anything to go bad. And sometimes I do take my son out to eat. So 3 meals is personally just like all I need. I'll have all of the ingredients, the pricing, everything listed in the description box. Please go ahead and check there, you guys.